determined, and if you are born for it, you can do it. Before we go any further, let me remind you, Uguti, 4 pillars. We like, we comment, we subscribe, we share. And on top of that, if you like to give us some super thanks, you're more than welcome to do that. If you want to join our channel memberships, please do join on the button below to join the channel memberships. They get exclusive content, they get exclusive invites, they get discounts on merchandise like the one that I am wearing. Caps are on sale. Please do buy. And the t-shirts, please do DM me if you're looking for this. But soon I'll be linking up a Shopify shop on the YouTube podcast, so that you can actually be easier for you to buy it there, and you buy things that are or actually pinned there. But other than that, did you know Uguti November is a National Disability Awareness Month? Ngikusho this slowly because khona into engifuna ukuyilungisa mangabe bethi it's National Disability Month. Angiwuthandi disability because people who are born different, I don't agree with the fact that they are disabled.